Stylists are masters of hair care, but many of their best tricks stay behind salon doors. It's not because they don't want you to have beautiful hair, it's because these little techniques are what keep you coming back. But today, you're going to learn all 17 of them. And once you do, your hair routine will never look the same again. Forget the basic use conditioner advice. These are small, professional habits that give your hair that salon fresh look every single day. 1. Brush before you wash. Brushing your hair before you get it wet makes a huge difference. Water causes your strands to swell and become more fragile. If you don't detangle beforehand, you'll end up fighting knots when your hair is at its weakest, leading to breakage. Brushing first means smoother washing and far fewer tangles later. Second section, before shampoo. Instead of dumping shampoo all over at once, try dividing your hair into sections. Focus on massaging each area of your scalp individually. This ensures every part is cleaned thoroughly, especially spots that usually get ignored, like behind your ears or at the nape of your neck. 3. Pre-condition the ends. Your ends are the oldest part of your hair and the most vulnerable. Applying a light layer of conditioner before shampooing protects them from being stripped of natural oils. It's a small step that keeps your hair stronger and prevents split ends. 4. Shampoo in vertical strokes. Most people scrub in circles, which roughs up the cuticle. Professionals use vertical strokes with their fingertips. This method cleans effectively without causing friction, helping to reduce frizz and breakage. Wash and condition. 5. Cool rinse. Finish rinsing with cold water may feel uncomfortable, but it's worth it. The cool water seals your cuticles, locking in moisture and giving your hair that extra shine. It's one of the simplest salon tricks that makes a big visual difference. 6. Squeeze, don't rub after washing. Many people rub their hair with a towel, creating friction and frizz. The pro move is to gently squeeze out water using a microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt. This absorbs moisture while keeping your hair smooth and damage-free. 7. Rotate conditioners. Your hair gets used to products just like your skin does. By rotating different conditioner formulas every week, you keep your hair responsive and prevent buildup. This trick ensures your strands always get the maximum benefit. 8. Apply conditioner with a comb. Instead of using your hands to spread conditioner, take a wide tooth comb and glide it through your hair. This distributes the product evenly, so every strand gets hydrated and nourished. It also prevents overusing product in one area. 9. Scalp exfoliation. Once a month. Your scalp needs the same care as your skin. Using a gentle scrub once a month removes buildup from oils, products, and pollution. A clean scalp encourages healthy growth and keeps your hair fresher for longer. 10. Microsection. Blow drying. When drying, divide your hair into smaller sections instead of working with large chunks. Even if you prefer air drying, this method gives you more control and helps your hair set smoothly without frizz. 11. Tension plus direction equals smoothness. The secret to sleek hair isn't just heat, it's technique. Apply the right tension with your brush while directing airflow from roots to ends. This smooths the cuticle and creates shine without cranking up the temperature. 12th. Leave 15% moisture. Over-drying is a common mistake. Professionals stop when hair is about 85% dry, letting the last bit of moisture evaporate naturally. This prevents dryness, helps your style last longer, and keeps your hair healthier overall. 13. Double-sided silk wrap. Wrapping your hair in silk overnight is a classic move, but pros take it further by using silk inside and outside. This creates extra protection against friction while you sleep, leaving your hair smooth and frizz-free by morning. 14. Invisible. Setting clips. After styling, lock in shape by using clips while your hair cools. These invisible clips hold everything in place without adding heat, ensuring your style lasts without damage. Long-term hair health. 15. Nutrient timing. Great hair starts from within. Eating protein and omega-3 rich foods like salmon, eggs, or nuts before your natural hair growth phases, such as seasonal shedding, help strengthen strands from the inside out. 16. Brush your scalp at night. This isn't just about detangling. Gently brushing your scalp before bed increases blood circulation, which stimulates growth and distributes natural oils down your strands. It's a soothing ritual with big benefits. 17. Set a product detox week. Once every season, strip back your routine to the basics. Too many products can suffocate your hair. A detox week with just shampoo and minimal conditioner gives your hair a chance to breathe and reset. The final takeaway. Now you've unlocked 17 professional secrets that stylists often keep to themselves. These aren't complicated routines or expensive products. They're simple, practical moves that make your hair look salon-ready every day. Which one will you try tonight? Drop the number in the comments. And if these tips saved you a trip to the salon, share them with a friend who's just as obsessed with great hair. Comment your favorite tip, and don't forget to save this video for your next wash day.